loves, what is up? It's your girl AshecaLee here, back at it with another video. And in today's video, this is going to be a 2-in-1 hair and makeup. I wanted to do this kind of like soothing style, you know, like no talk throughs, just a simple voiceover with a whole bunch of music, calming music that you can vibe to while you're watching this video. And yeah, so we are definitely going to get into the details of this hair and this hair company and also this look. You guys, this company sent me so much stuff. Like when I say there's a whole box, but you guys will see that in the video and everything that I got. They are so dope. So a big shout out and a big thank you to Ming Hair Company. Thank you so much. So yeah, so if you guys are interested in seeing how I got this look, then definitely keep on watching. But before we get into the video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell as well so that you can get an alert and you won't miss out on my next video. Also, leave a comment down below and give this video a thumbs up while you're at it. And yeah, so we're just gonna get started with this video. Alrighty, so as I stated in the beginning of the video, this is not going to be a talk through. I'll just kind of chime in on certain parts, but for the most part, I want you guys just to, you know, kind of just sit and watch the video with some calming music. So really all I did was just go in with some 30 volume developer, and I just applied this to the ends of the hair with my brush and kind of worked it a little way, halfway in the hair, and I'm really just massaging the bleach into the hair so that every piece is saturated. And once all of that is done, all I did was just go ahead, let it sit for about 30 minutes, went ahead, washed it out, and I will be showing you guys what this company sent me in this big box. You guys will see all of that later on in the video. And yeah, all of their information will be listed down below in the description box. So yeah, that's pretty much it. You guys will see the installation process as well, and I will check back in with you guys throughout the video. Alright, love, so here's the box that I was talking about. So many goodies in this box, it's crazy. So I'm just going to share with you guys what came in this box. First, a thank you card thanking me for the cooperation and the collaboration. So again, thank you, Ming team. They sent me this wig carrier. You can put your wig in this and it'll be nice and secure, safe, and wig caps as well. Shampoo and conditioner. This is their argan oil, and also some edge controls, a wig hanger, which is super dope and it will keep your wig intact. Also a bonnet with their logo around the rim, an edge brush with a rat tail, a spray bottle, wax stick, which is always good to have, and their lash collection, 3 lashes in here along with adhesive and tweezers, and then a Huda Beauty lash adhesive with some lip gloss and lipsticks, and another lash pair. And in this little package is their lace glue and their glue remover. So I'll be sharing with you guys my thoughts on their glue as well, but right now I am just sharing with you guys how I went ahead and tweezed and plucked the hairline. Now I definitely went in and bleached the knots. I just didn't record it because you guys have seen so many videos on how I customize lace frontals. So right now I'm just going in and plucking the hairline out so it can look a bit more natural. And then we're going to jump into actually styling the hair. Alright, so we are done styling and now it's time to apply this wig. I'm going to go in with their lace glue that they actually sent with this hair. Right now I'm just putting the wig on, sizing it up with my head, and this is actually a full lace wig. So you have the option of even wearing it in a ponytail, but me personally, it's just me doing my hair, so I can't really see the back of my head, so that's why I didn't do that style. But you definitely have some versatility with this wig. So as you guys can see, the glue is actually really sticky, and I have never actually worked with any other glue other than the Bold Hold Active. So my thoughts on this glue, it definitely had a strong smell to it, but my skin has not broken out at all. I haven't had any crazy reactions, but it is actually really hard to work with because it's so sticky. Now, the fact that it is so sticky, it allows the wig to actually sit on your head without like any extra force. Like, I only used one layer and pressed it in with my hands, and that was enough for it to just stay there for a few days. So just imagine using 2 or 3 layers of this glue and your wig is not going anywhere. But yeah, that's like my only con to this glue. It was just too sticky for me. Wasn't really my preference. I don't like sticky glue, and the smell to it was just a little bit too strong for me. But other than that, the glue holds very well. And yeah, so I just put the wig on, and for the parts that I missed with the glue, I went in with some freeze spray and blow dried that part. And yeah, I also cut off the rest of the lace with the razor because I feel like that's easiest to do, and continue to spray some Got to Bleed on the areas that I missed, blow dried it, and then I went in and did some baby hairs, and that is about it. And again, you guys can check the description box for their hair information. For the details on this wig as well, go ahead and check their site out. So many products that you can get your hands on, which is really dope. They don't just sell hair. So definitely check their website out. Alright, so we're going to jump into the makeup portion of this video. I did like a very simple glam for this look using affordable products. So I'm starting off with my brows, and I'm using the Colourpop Brow Pencil in the shade Dark Brown. If I forget any of the products that I use, you can always check the description box down below. I'll have them listed because I'm almost certain I will forget. I did this video days ago, so I'm doing the voiceover now. So right now I'm just taking my concealer, carving out underneath my brows and also on top of my brows. Alright, and also we're going to take the concealer down on our eyelids as well, pat that in with the fluffy blending brush. And I also went in and set my concealer with some powder, some translucent powder that is, because I wanted my eyes to be very subtle. And I went in with the Maybelline palette that I used in my last video. If you haven't seen that video, go watch that. I just took like a very light shade and I'm just dusting it over my entire eyelid, and then I went in with the lighter orange shade higher up. Now I'm going in with my NYX liquid liner, just doing a simple eyeliner look, and I'm really just doing this so that I can hide the band of my lashes. And I went in with some Maybelline mascara, coated my top lashes with this, and then went ahead and applied the second lash from the Ming collection. So I definitely used their lash glue. Now, I will say that their adhesive is actually very sticky. So it's not like others where you have to sit there and let it dry really so that, you know, you can plop it on. Once you apply it, you can just let it sit for like 5 minutes and then 5 seconds, I'm sorry, and then put it on. So right now I'm going in with my Too Faced primer. This is their Refresh and Replenish primer. And then I went in with the MAC Strobe Cream because, you know, your girl likes that liquid glow, okay? I love it. And then for my foundation today, I went in with the Milk Makeup and the Maybelline 24 Hour Wear foundation. And I'm just going ahead and blend this in with a brush. And right now for concealer, I went in with my Too Faced Born This Way concealer, and I like to apply this one first because I feel like it's like a subtle highlight. So it gives me the option of, if I want a brighter highlight, I can definitely go ahead and build it. So I went in with a fluffy blending brush to blend this out. This is the Real Techniques setting brush actually. This is like my favorite part of doing makeup, just blending the concealer out. It just makes everything kind of come together. And yeah, I really love this concealer, one of my favorites. I definitely recommend it. And also to top my concealer off, I went in with the Juvia's Place concealer and also the Juvia's Place concealer for contour as well. And while I was blending out my contour, I allowed my concealer to sit for a few minutes so that it can continue to build up coverage, so that, you know, everything will be full, nice, very easy to blend out. It blends like butter, you guys. These concealers are amazing and they're very inexpensive. Look at that. It looks so good. And then I'm also going in with some setting powder. I went in with the Airspun. You guys know that is one of my favorite drugstore powders as well. It's so good. I don't get any flashback, which is always a good thing. So now I'm going in with the Airspun powder underneath my cheekbone. Now this is going to add some definition to my face. And I know it may look a little white. Don't worry, it's not going to give you any flashback. Right now I'm just carving that out. And then eventually I'll go in and dust it off. But right now I am setting my contour with the Morphe Brontour palette. And I'm just, you know, setting, because that is also key to doing your makeup. Once you apply a liquid to your face, you have to set it with some type of powder. And then I'm also taking that powder down on the sides of my nose as well. And now for blush, I think I used the Colourpop Blush and then going in with the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. And then for eyeliner, I am using the Kiss pencil. Oh my gosh, y'all. This is the hard part. And then I also went in with the same colors that I used on my eyelids to fan out my lower lash line. And going in with the same Maybelline Colossal Mascara. And then I kind of wanted to add something to the look. So I went in with some Duo Lash Glue. And then I applied some type of glitter that I got from Baddie Cosmetics. And I just felt like applying this right in the inner tear duct. I felt like it will brighten up my eyes a whole lot. And it definitely did. So this is definitely something that you can do to kind of make your look go from regular, from basic, to baddie in 0 seconds, okay? So I went in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills highlighting kit. And yeah, after we do that, I went in with some Mario Badescu. No, I'm lying. That is a Too Faced spray. And then onto the lips, I used a NYX lip liner in the shade Brown. And then I went in with the Colourpop lipstick. Forgot the shade name, but it'll be down in the description box below. And guys, that is the completed look for this video. I hope you all enjoyed it. If you are a side part straight girl or a side part curly girl, leave a comment down in the description box below. Thank you guys so much for 50K subscribers. I appreciate it so much. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Continue to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. And before we go, today's motivational quote is, at any moment, God can shift you from waiting on it to walking in it. And with that being said, I will see you loves in my next video. Bye.